So if they give you, for example 3, if they give you the circumference as 30.2, in order to find the radius, what he was pointing out was the formula for the circumference involves the radius. And we've done this before where we found the radius given the circumference. And what he said is true. In order to find the radius, you just divide by 2 pi.
So do 30.2 divided by 6.2.
Correct. So the circumference is 30.2. So it's going to be 30.2 divided by 2 pi. That's going to give me the radius, approximately, right? Because it's going to be a decimal. Let's plug that in and see what we get. 30.2 divided by 2 pi. So the radius is going to be about 4.8. Okay, so that's why step 1 tells us to find the radius. What did I just say it was? Just forgot. 4.8? Okay. That's why this is the first step, is because if they give you circumference, you actually have to find the radius using circumference formula. So 4.8 is going to be the radius. Then we can plug it into the formula. So now I'm going to write area equals pi r squared, 4.8 squared. Let's go ahead and plug that into the calculator. That would round to 72.4 as far as the nearest tenth goes. I haven't talked about this yet, but what would the units be if they gave us yards? What would the units for area be? Hold on a second. Let's answer this question first. I think she said it. Square yards. Area is square. It's not square footage, but square footage is your house, right? Square yards is the same concept, except it's yards. So anyway, what's your observation?
It seems like